syempre, does not necessarily have to be, I like everything about it, but you like something about, you know, that particular song or yung collection of songs of that artist. And of course, finding potential, diba? Potential for that artist to keep growing, to find an audience. But of course, simula pa lang yun. Diba? Kasi maraming may potential, maraming kayang magsulat, maglabas ng music. But syempre dyan napapasok yung you know, what kind of artist are you, or performer, writer? Are you a producer? Diba? So parang for me, if you're a starting artist, maybe have the mindset na make yourself undeniable. You know, so how that applies to you would be different, diba? In each case, kasi pwedeng magaling ka songwriter pero as a performer, medyo mahina, yung hindi ka pa, wala ka pa doon. Or maybe napakagaling mo singer, but yung writing mo, you need a lot of help with that. Or pwedeng ang strength mo is your social media savvy, you know, your
Content creator.
diba? Content creator, or diba? So maraming factors that come into play, but I think if you have that mindset na the industry cannot deny me, diba? You go out there and make your presence felt, then definitely someone out there will find you and would want to work with you. So I think it starts with that.
Flip music.
Yeah, just like what Raymond said, definitely important to be undeniable. Even with us as indie labels as well, we take note of your efforts. Syempre sa amin, we really start from, since we have the agility, since we are an indie label, since we control most of the inner workings of how music is produced, how this artist will be developed,